Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Bismillah wa salatu wa salam ala rasulillah amma ba'd. In Sahih Muslim is mentioned Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, ittaqu dhulm, stay away from oppression. The lessons we should take away from this hadith are, we should never ever oppress anybody based on any aspect, based on their height, based on their gender, based on their weight, based on the color of the skin. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created everybody perfectly. And who are we to judge? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created everyone perfectly among everybody, among everyone. Another lesson we should take away from this hadith is that how would we retaliate? What would we do? Would we go there? Would we forgive them? Would we be patient if somebody oppressed you? So before oppressing or bullying anybody else, you should put yourself in another person's shoes. Another point you could take away from this hadith is that your company, the people who you're around, you go to school, you go work, you're surrounded by the same people for 7 hours a day. If the people you're surrounded with are oppressing others, people don't remind you of your deen, people who are not doing good things, you're going to end up getting the same habits as them. However, if you're surrounded with people who remind you of your deen, people who read Salah, people who will remind you to go do everything Islamic, those are the sort of people you want to be around. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the tawfiq to not oppress others. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.
MashaAllah, Jazakallah ourselves for that very important advice. Very important to stay away from oppression, dhulm. On the Day of Judgment, every single small little oppression that we carried out upon another individual, if we didn't rectify the records in this world by seeking forgiveness, by cleaning the records in this world, on the Day of Judgment, every small action that we did, good or bad, will be reckoned by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, like it was recited in Jum'ah as well. فَمَنْ يَعْمَلْ مِثْقَالَ ذَرَّةٍ خَيْرًا يَرَهُ. A person who did even a small atom amount of good, they will see that good on the Day of Judgment. And those who did even an atom worth of evil, they will see the outcome of this evil on the Day of Judgment as well. So may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala enable us to avoid and stay away from oppressing other people.